Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Say Goodbye to Grey Hair, the simplest recipe that you can make at home. Due to the unhealthy and fast-moving lifestyle, many people nowadays have problem with premature aging. In the stores, there are many dangerous chemicals included in hair dyes that surely will cause severe damage to your hair. So there is natural solution that will help you to solve this problem safely and effectively. In today's video, I will present you the easiest way to solve this problem. But first, let's see what causes the grey hair. Aging. Aging causes appearance of grey hair due to the fact that human body doesn't produce melanin, which makes the hair grey, silvery or white. Genetic causes. If your family has history of premature aging, there is a high possibility that you will have this problem too. Lifestyle. Lack of sleep in combination with unhealthy diet could cause grey hair because the body isn't provided with the needed nutrients. Stress. Most of people experience way too much stress at work, while traveling or at home. Stress and lack of sleep could result with grey hair even at younger age. The solution of grey hair. Coconut oil is a perfect remedy for grey hair. Coconut oil will make your hair stronger, shinier, longer, and much more beautiful. It is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates, and healthy fats that nourish your hair. How to use coconut oil for grey hair. For 20 seconds, warm up 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply it on the roots of your hair by gently massaging with your fingers. Leave it to act for 10 minutes in order to allow the follicles moisturize with oil. Wash it off with warm water. Then you can shampoo your hair as you always do, and at the end, finish with the hair conditioner. Repeat the same procedure every day in order to have positive results. With regular use of coconut oil, you certainly will get rid of grey hair, and also you will have much healthier and stronger hair. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.